Hey guys, welcome to Doob's Booze Reviews. This week I am so excited. We're looking at Scratch Distillery's coffee liqueur. First off, big shout out to Scratch Distillery. I've been very curious about this coffee liqueur since its inception, and they gave me a bottle to do a review on, so I'm so stoked to review this. Let's get into how they make it. So Kim starts with her organic wheat vodka that's sitting at about 190 proof. She then adds fresh vanilla beans and cacao nibs and lets those steep for a while, and then barrel ages it for about 9 months. Kim then makes a simple syrup using demerara sugar, and then makes a cold brew using the beans from a local coffee shop called Walnut Street Coffee. Thank you so much, Walnut Street, for letting me film on location. She then blends all of that together, and that creates this coffee liqueur. Let's give this a try. I'm so excited. There's a lot of character and depth. It's a little bit fruity. On the nose, you definitely get coffee, chocolate, a little bit of cherry and apricot as well. Holy cow, that is so smooth. You get a little bit of the burn on the back of your throat, but overall it's just smooth. It's got such rich character to it. It has a very syrupy taste, but the feel is still very liquidy, I guess. On the palate, you get a lot more vanilla and caramel and coffee and chocolate and those like really deep dark notes. On the finish, you definitely get like a vanilla bean or coffee ice cream. That is beautiful. Wow, throw some of this in your coffee, or you could just pour some of that on the rocks and just enjoy. It's dangerous. Cocktails that you'll see a coffee liqueur in would be a white or black Russian, a revolver, and an espresso martini. A good price point for Scratch Distillery's coffee liqueur. If you could get a bottle for under $40, I think you're looking at a really good deal for it. This is probably my favorite coffee liqueur I've ever had. Leave me a comment on what your favorite coffee liqueur is. I've got links down below for Scratch Distillery, Walnut Street Coffee, and my music guy, Bad Wheel Audio. Go check them out. Hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. I really appreciate it. Share this video around, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!